I'm going to show you how you can like a post, you get paid. You sign up a form, you get paid. You share a post on social media, you get paid. So you can even create job for people. You are still going to be making money at the end of the day with this method I'm going to show you. So you are going to watch this video to the end. I will show you step by step how it works. I will show you from start to finish, complete tutorial. I make a tutorial yesterday about it, which is how to get paid to like on social media, which is yesterday video. But today I'm going to show you how you can make money in those things that I just said. You like a post, you get paid. You share a post, you get paid. You follow people on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you get paid. And yeah, you get paid for just doing all those things. You can even sign up a form. Somebody will create a form and will ask you to sign up, enter your first name, last name, email address, and your phone number. You are going to get paid for just entering all those information. It's very, very simple. You just need to watch this video to the end, and I will show you step by step how everything works. So not to take your time, let us get started. If you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and I make video like this a way on how you can make money online. So as you can see on my YouTube channel here, there is a bunch and a tons of video here. You can go and select and start using the method and strategy that I've taught you on that video to start making money online. If you don't find this one that I'm just saying useful, you can even go. There is affiliate marketing, and there is affiliate marketing on this my channel too. You can just go and check them out. There is a video here, affiliate marketing, and a lot of video for affiliate marketing product, taking people product and selling it, and you get paid for just doing that. So that is it, guys. So let us head over to this website, and I will show you step by step, start to finish, from everything and how it works. So all you just need to do for me is to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget again, smash that like button. You see that bell, click on that bell, make sure it's on, so that anytime I shoot a video, you get a full notification and have access over it and start making money online. So that is it. Let us get started. So as you can see, this is the website, which is called Pico Worker. This is the website Pico Worker. We say small gig and big results. That is it. You do small things and you get a lot of money for just doing that, which is liking anything on social media, sharing people video, viewing people video, signing up in a form online. You get paid for just doing that. As you can see, this is the website. They will pay you up to $1 to $2 for just doing all those tasks for completely free, like liking people page, and you get paid. They will pay you 20 cents, 50 cents, 10 cents for just doing all those things. They pay you a lot of money for just doing all those simple tasks. Let me say you do 20 tasks. Let me say 20 tasks for $1, you are going to be making up to $20 for just doing all those tasks, for just liking people picture or signing up in a form. You get paid. So to sign up on this website is very, very simple. You see the sign up button here. Just click on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, it will open a tab. This is the tab it will open. You will enter your name here. Enter your name, and here you enter your email address and password. And once you have entered your email address and password, here you enter your nickname, which can be username. Enter your nickname here, and you select your country, and you accept. You agree. You agree to the Pico Worker terms and conditions, terms of service and privacy. And here you can accept if you want Pico Worker to be sending you email, which is the advertising email. If you want them to be sending you the email, you can just accept this, but this is optional. You can check it or leave it like that. Once you are done with that, click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, Pico Worker will send you a verification email, and once you receive the verification email, you have to come back to Pico Worker to sign up on your account. So once you click on that email they are going to send to you, your account will be fully verified, and now you will be eligible for going and completing tasks on Pico Worker, like liking pictures, sharing people content, filling out a form, just like you fill out while you are signing up in a Pico Worker, and you are going to get paid for just doing all those simple things. So to log in, all we just need to do is to enter our email address here and enter your password here, and you click on login, and your account will be logged in. So once your account have logged in, I will show you around how the website works. I want you to watch to the end of this video, because that is how I will show you how everything works. If you don't watch to the end, you will not know how it works, and I will show you more and go more in depth on how you can make multiple money with this method. So don't skip any part, watch it to the end. So as you can see here, our account just opened. This will be your earning. This will be your spendable, which is the money you can use to create tasks for people. Like you can even create job for people at the top here. You can see pending. Pending will be, let me say you completed the task before the owner of the task that you completed to release the fund to you, to release the money to you, you will see the amount here pending. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. At the bottom here, you will see the categories of the tasks you can do. You can see that this person will pay you 14 cents for doing this task. It's just to sign up in a form. This person will pay you 20 cents for completing this task here. All you just need to do is to complete the task and you are going to get paid. You can see here all the tasks that need to be done is 163. As you can see, this is 1907 task here. As you can see, there's a lot of tasks you can do here. A lot of tasks you can do. Only one you can do and you get paid. You do it continuously, like again, you get paid. So it's only one you can do per a task. You finish this, you go to other one. You finish this, you go to other one. That is what you do on this place. You can see how much you can get. $14 for 14 cents for just signing up in a page. So what you just need to do is to sign up in a page and you get paid. So let us go and try to see how this works here. Let me say you want to just like a post on social media. So what you need to do, you need to come to this section that say category. Click on this category section here. Here you can see multiple tasks you can do. You can see sign up, search engine, or video marketing, which is Facebook. You can go and subscribe to people channel and all those things. Is the one that is called video marketing. And the Facebook, you can like on Facebook, share on Facebook. Twitter, you can follow Twitter. You can follow people on Instagram. You can see promotion, vlog on rating on social media. Like if you want to vote for a particular website, like if you want the website to rank, there's a lot of tasks. All those tasks you can do here. So let me say we want to follow someone on Facebook. Just click on this Facebook, select Facebook and click on apply. So once we click on Facebook and click apply, you can see that this person here is going to pay you to like their page on Facebook. So what we need to do, just need to click on the task here. Click on the task, and once you click on the task, you will see at the bottom here, this is a LBC task. So they want you to go and let us see what they are telling us to do here when we click on that MBC task. So as you can see, say go to this site. So you need to copy this site and go open a new tab and open this task. And here you will see after opening the task, get the transaction ID and send it. And see how you can do this job. You click here to see how you can do this job, and here you will send as a proof that you have used this LBC website. You send the transaction ID so that they will see that you have did some transaction with LDC, which is library. Is kind of a website that allows you to do some simple things like you how will I even say it? It's like you watch video on this website, which is LBC. So if you come down here, you will see other things that you can do. This person will pay you to sign up in a website. This person will pay you to sign up in a website, which is 14 cents to sign up in a website, and it keep on going continuously and continuously. So that is how you can do that part. You already know now how you can select your category of the task you want to do and you get paid. So the other way you can get paid too is to refer people. When you click on this refer program here, you will see that you can refer people to this program and you get paid for just doing that simple task. So you refer people to this program, you are going to be getting 5% of lifetime from any task that the person complete on PicoWorker. That is why I say you should use my referral link that will be in the description. The first link in the description will take you to my website where you have to open and go and click on the link. Let me show you my website so that you know how you can sign up on PicoWorker. So to follow the link, go to. So once you click on my the first link, it will take you to this my blog here. Then you will scroll down, just go down until you find a button that says PicoWorker. You can see a button here. Let us scroll down again. So you can see this button here. You can see PicoWorker. Once you scroll down under the blog that will open on my website, you can see PicoWorkers. So you follow this arrow flash, you click on this part here. Once you click on it, click on this button that says visit site. It will take you to Pico Worker immediately, and you can sign up and start using Pico Worker for completely free. So that is it. And how you can still make money with this method is you already know how you can make money now, and you already know that you can make money by referring people to this program, and you can make money for just completely task on this program. So you can even create jobs. So to create job, you need to click on this section that say um, post job. You can click on it, and it will take you to the process where you have to enter all the criteria that requires for people to complete that task or do that job that you are creating for people. So you already know now how you can like I showed you here. You can just click on the category section here and select the type of task you want to do. Is it sign up? Is it search and click on Google search engine? Or is it video watch? You want to watch video or subscribe to people channel? Once you click on this, let me say this video marketing, and click on apply, it will show you many people that create videos on how you can make money with that way too. So if you come down here, you can see this person here is create a video. So you need to watch this video on LBC that I just showed you, and here you need to watch this video, and you need to watch this video. So when you watch the video, you can see they will pay you up to 12 cents, 12 cent to 20 cent, 12 cent to 20 cents. So all you just need to do is to go and complete the task, and you are going to get paid for just doing that for completely free. As you can see, this person will pay you to subscribe to their LBC website, and this person will pay you to follow to watch the video in LBC website, and so on and so on. So it continuously going. As you can see, there's a lot and a bunch of money here you can make. So as you can see, even when I'm scrolling down, you can't even stop. You can see this person is going to pay you $1. This person is going to pay you $1, $1, $1, $1 for just completely all those tasks. So it's very, very simple and easy. So you can see that they can pay you $1. You can see this person will pay you $1.20, $1.20, $1.20, $1.20. You keep on going. So they are going to pay you this money for just doing this very simple task, and you are going to get paid. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. You already know now how you can make money for just liking people page, for just watching videos, for just doing all those things, and you can make money. Like I said again, I'm repeating it. You just need to come to this section here, select the category of the task you want to do. If it's watching video, searching, signing up form, liking Facebook page, just select it and click on apply. It will show you all the tasks that you can do in that category, and you will complete it, and you complete it, and you get paid for just doing that. So that is how it works on Pico Worker. Like I said again, you can even create job if you have a task. And let me see, if you want to get some subscriber on YouTube, you can just come and create a job for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You pay them like 10 cents to 20 cents for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you want that. I'm just giving it as a tips to you. For those of you who want to get subscriber on your YouTube channel, this is a good option for you, and it's very, very cheap, and people are going to do that for you. But I'm not doing that because I want to rate people to be on my channel. So you can do that if you want to grow your YouTube channel. So that is it. I'm just doing this to help you guys, and to help those of you who is trying to make some easy money online and try to get some easy cash and try to spend it. So you can like, share, and you get paid for just doing that. I will say thank you very much from here. So we are going to end the video now, and I'm going to say thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, if you like it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page and my Twitter account, and you can even contact me directly on Facebook, Twitter, or on my Instagram account. If you have anything you want to talk privately, you can contact me. I'll say thank you very much from here. Peace out, and see you soon a way on how you can make money online. And I forget one thing, how you can cash out it through PayPal. So I know a lot of you will be wondering how you can cash out. How can you cash out? It's through PayPal. So you just need to see on the type of payment method you can use to cash out. You can see credit card, PayPal, and Stream, and Bitcoin, and airtime, and amount money transfer. So you can see here spendable money transfer fund. You can even do that, and that is how you can receive your money if you have the minimum amount of cashing out. PayPal, or transfer it into your bank account. So you already know now everything. Sorry about that if I did come with that on time. So you already know now how you can cash out your money and go and start making money online for completely free. So thank you very much and peace out.